Hey, what's up, Bittorrent token holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about a BTT token, guys. What's up, guys? Now the changes in a BTT token is going positive and absolutely a massive changes occur in the BTT token, but unfortunately now the latest situation. From the last 1 week, the changes of the BTT is completely going wrong, and the people are very worrying about BTT future. So, guys, don't take it serious. I know the price falls down, but that's not mean then you lose hope. No, never lose hope. Just hold, guys. Guys, the live price of the BTT token in the market is $0.004360. That is the live price of the BTT token. Furthermore, if we talk about the changes occur in the Bittorrent token, so 0.46% changes is a negative, negative 2.09% change is negative, negative 9.62% changes is negative. So guys, clear that the BTT whole changes is negative. So what should we do? Simply, you know what, guys, when the price falls down, so I believe that it is a investing opportunity because the price become low, and by now, guys, the price is very low. Other side, you can see here from this chart, BTT is not a bad currency for investment. Absolutely really good for investment. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.